All right, YouTube, what is going on? No, we're not. Not like that. Tell me something going on weird. All right, let's try it again. All right, here we go. For the basher body. And... oh, boom. I want to show y'all, she just unplugged. But there it is too, full Basherqueen build. It's got Basherqueen mud guards, the XL body kit, the center brace, the ESC mount, servo mount, top plate, both diff housings and the full diff bulkheads, shock towers, complete Basherqueen build, y'all. And it is light, fun, M2C chassis. I mean, 4S backflips. This thing is a beast. Arrma skins, guys, I always forget. Check those out. He's going to be in our giveaway too at 1,500. They are amazing. I've beat this thing to death, and y'all see what it still looks like, keeping my M2C chassis looking beautiful. So there you have it, y'all. I'm going to clean this thing up. Peace out, y'all.